Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. Brand wars have become an important aspect of marketing and advertising. Mocking competitors in a way that attracts customers to pick brands out of options has become a trend. In 2011, Samsung started a marketing tradition of trolling Apple by making fun of iPhones and their owners in various commercials. It's something Samsung has been continuing even today. They have relentlessly mocked Apple over the years for some of their more outlandish decisions. Samsung's made fun of the iPhone's notch, Apple's removal of the 3.5mm headphone jack, and its decision to stop shipping iPhones with chargers. Some of these jokes haven't aged well, as Samsung since copied some of these tactics itself, but it certainly keeps the tech world lighthearted. Now Apple is gearing up to launch the iPhone 14 lineup, and as expected, Samsung is at it again, mocking Apple and the iPhone 14 Pro for missing some of the key features you would take granted in a Samsung flagship. So now let's take a look. A lot of Apple fans are pissed for now. I see a lot of them saying that Samsung is desperate with these videos. They want to steal the limelight and they should stop making these videos because Apple doesn't even care. So if this thought came into your mind, then you are missing the whole point of these videos. These commercials aren't made for Apple users to convince them to switch. These are made for existing Samsung customers to help them feel good about the choice they have already made. A glorified feel-good campaign is basically exactly what brand advertising is. This is actually how the entire car industry works with advertising. They are never trying to sell someone a BMW who has an Audi, they are just making BMW owners feel better about themselves for already having one. Customer retention is a higher value than acquiring new business. I know it's silly to think about having strong feelings about your choice of phone, but Apple used many of the same strategies to great effect with those Mac vs PC commercials a while ago. It is a very effective way to market. So these commercials from Samsung do serve a purpose. They remind people that Apple is too lazy and afraid to try out new things while addressing Samsung's existing base that their product is a superior one and they have indeed made the right purchase. So that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you on the next one.